Tarantula has amazing features. It is larger and hairy. It lives in burrows, and some species live under bark of trees, and it has venomous bite. Like other spider, it has a pair of chelicerae. Chelicerae are filled with muscles and are used to hold prey. Chelicerae are tipped with fangs, and fangs are used to inject venom. Pedipalps are parts of mouth which look like small legs. It scents the objects that it encounters and helps in capturing and feeding prey, and also used for shape their webs. New World species have urticating hairs which can cause irritation and redness to the skin. When it bites, there is burning sensation and pain can last up to few days.
Tarantula belongs to family Theraphosidae. There are more than 1,000 species. Size vary up to 5 inches. Tarantulas native of South Central and North America are called New World tarantulas. Examples are pumpkin patch tarantula, Mexican pink tarantula, Mexican redleg tarantula, green bottle blue tarantula, and Goliath bird eater. Continents before Columbus discovered America are Europe, Africa, and Asia. Tarantulas native to these continents are called Old World species. Examples are cobalt blue tarantula, ornamental tarantula, electric blue tarantula, orange baboon tarantula, Gooty sapphire tarantula, and Zebraleg tarantula.
Tarantulas are popular for exotic pet trade. New World tarantulas are easy to keep as they are less active. For keeping tarantulas, you must understand 4 factors. For housing, use small plastic or glass container with numerous holes in sides. Place it out of direct sunlight and noise and tobacco smoke. Depending on species, temperature can vary from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius or 21 to 24 degrees Celsius. Likewise, humidity can vary 60 to 80% or 80 to 90%. As tarantulas are nocturnal, they prefer dark conditions. 4-inch bedding with pit moss and coconut coir as a substrate or natural plants and wood can be used. They eat insects such as cricket, moths or beetle larvae, and cockroaches. During molting, spiderlings shed their exoskeleton. At this time, don't disturb or feed. As tarantulas are delicate creatures, carefully take it into capture cup with the help of stick or brush. Female tarantula is dark color, larger in size and have longer lifespan. Male tarantula are light color, have legs longer and palpal organ at tip of his pedipalp. Male use sperm web. He transfers sperm from web to palpal bulb. During mating ritual, they engage courtship dance. Male use signals like drumming or tapping his pedipalps. If female receive, then return this drumming to signal that he can get closure. During mating, he places sperm from his palpal bulb into female.
And the weird fact, tarantula named after the city Taranto, where its bite was believed to cause hysterical condition known as tarantism. It created tarantella, a Italian folk dance. It's a competition between dancer and magician that who will get first tired.
So which you like the most, New World or Old World?